It's Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning, and lately I've been wondering if vegetarians eat vegetables, then what do humanitarians eat?
Oh, no, Jeff! Oh, what? Is that why they care so much?
Yeah.
Thank God we have no humanitarians on this show.
Okay,
Let the record state, Brooke and Jeffrey are anti-humanitarian.
Not say
It's
that.
the first of many revelations that hopefully we'll have as we go around the room for what's on your mind.
Yeah, we're fooditarians.
Starting with Brooke. Brooke, what's on your mind?
Oh, man. I went to the Savannah Bananas over the weekend.
We are bananatarians, that's for
Dude,
sure.
If you don't know what they are, they're it's a baseball team, but it's also like an organization, and they're traveling the country and they're selling out stadiums. Like the
Brooke,
one
everybody knows who they are. It's Banana Ball.
I
It's
don't think
taken
that
over.
everyone knows. Like it was a stadium of almost 50,000 people.
I heard 70.
They're basically like the Harlem Globetrotters of baseball.
But you
Yeah,
can't use
but
that.
super
And
duper popular.
no?
listen, I'll tell you why you can't compare it. Because I've been to the Harlem Globetrotters and I love them. I think they're fantastic. This is like next level. It is like sensory overload. It is like the circus meets Disneyland on steroids while a baseball game is being played.
You're accusing the Savannah Bananas of being on steroids?
Part of
Wow. Broke
Well,
you
that guy,
first.
the guy on stilts does have really long legs.
Yeah.
I don't know how I
God.
got him.
It's
But
encouraged.
so all this is happening, like the fans are singing, we're doing sing-alongs, we're doing cheering, things are being thrown into the stadium, things are being thrown from the rafters onto the field. Like it is like it is impossible to see everything that's happening all at once. Meanwhile, a baseball game is also being played.
Yeah.
And in the middle of this, we look down and 2 rows in front of us is a manana. Now the manana is the dad bod cheer squad.
Yeah.
They are middle-aged, rather big men,
Guys.
hairy,
Okay.
Dad
in
bods.
crop tops and little shorts and tutus, and they're hysterical. And my kids are losing it. They're like, "He's here!"
They're not officially part of the team. They're just like a fan
No,
group.
they are.
They are part of
They
it?
are.
Okay,
Yeah,
they work for
yeah,
them.
and everybody's all in the crowds. Like everyone that's part of the Savannah Bananas is all over the place. So my kids are so stoked that a manana is sitting 2 rows ahead of us.
Oh, yeah.
And Alder grabs a Sharpie and he gets his brand new hat that we just waited in line for 2 hours to get
Nice.
signed, right?
Cool.
And then my daughter didn't get any merch, so she's like, "Well, I want a signature." She has her softball all-state sweatshirt on, where all-stars, right?
Yeah.
That she worked so hard for. She takes that pin down and she immediately gets the manana to sign her sweatshirt.
It's more valuable now.
And
Is
now her treasured keepsake has the name Spicy
Oh, God.
written on it.
Awesome.
Spicy the man.
Spicy the manana. So, he'll always be remembered in our house. But
Huh.
if you have a chance to go see the Savannah Bananas, 1000% do it.
I vacuum seal that shirt. wouldn't let her wear it.
Yeah.
That's a big part of history now.
Where on your body did you have a banana sign you,
yeah.
Brooke?
Jeff, this is a family show.
Okay, we'll reveal that later.
Yeah.
Jose,
It was her bra.
sure. Jose, what's been on your mind?
Well, if you didn't know, I do food reviews and I post them on my socials at Hilarious Jose, YouTube, kick.com, all the good stuff. But the one thing that I've never done on camera is cook myself.
I remember when you moved into your apartment, I bought you a pan. And
Yeah.
I don't know that you ever used it.
No, I haven't used it.
That was over a decade ago.
But I have pans in the pan drawer.
Yeah.
So that's what I use
For
those
the aesthetic.
Totally. So recently, my buddy's wife sent me an easy chicken drumstick recipe.
Oh.
So I went to work. I was like, let's try this. So halfway into cooking, I run into some problems. I realized that the recipe says to put garlic powder to sprinkle them before,
Yeah.
right? Well, I don't have garlic powder, but I did find some like Mrs. Dash seasoning that expired over 2 years ago. Like I look and it's like very, very expired.
Okay.
I had to Google it. Like I was like, can you eat expired spices? And it was a little
It's
mixed
fine.
bag.
You know Brooklyn.
I
Yeah,
called a
it's
friend. No, I literally called a friend like, hey, and they were like, I think you're gonna be okay. So I used it.
Okay,
Yeah.
Right?
we're
so
going forward.
Then, when it gets to the end, right, the time's up, all the instructions are done, I'm like, wait, how do I tell if they're done? Like, I look at them, they look done, right?
Yeah,
But
you don't want to do that with chicken.
Exactly.
You
So
need a meat thermometer.
Thank you. So I came to that conclusion. I'm like, I need some type of thermometer. And then I remembered, I think my parents gave me one for Christmas a couple years ago.
Wait, a meat one or a human thermometer?
Well, I don't think it was a meat one, but I found a thermometer.
Oh, God.
All right, and it worked. Okay? So at the end, they were delicious. Now, it had like a weird kind of cardboardy flavor at the end. Is that normal? Yeah. I think it was from the spices.
I think that's an expired biscuit.
Maybe that was that, but I didn't get sick. I'm fine. Yay. Well, I didn't throw up or anything.
Wow.
And so here we are. I'm gonna keep cooking.
Okay.
I'm good at it.
I'm gonna say we're not gonna have a potluck anytime soon.
No.
Oh,
Why
have we been making fun of my cooking the past few years?
Hey, I'm trying.
You've got more spice than he does.
Yeah, I do.
Hey.
I got garlic powder.
Yeah.
There
Your
we
first
go.
foray into cooking, it went not so
Thank you.
terrible.
I did have bay leaves, by the way. I don't know why, but I had
wow.
like very old bay leaves. So if anyone needs bay leaves, send in a recipe.
It's usually only soup.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang it. Then we had to crush them up and sprinkle them on the chicken.
That's it. I've never had that called
Look
for.
forward to that. Alexis, what's been on your mind?
So it was my grandma's birthday the other day.
Oh, cute.
And I kind of forgot to order flowers in advance from like a nice florist.
Uh-oh.
So last minute DoorDash flowers, okay?
Oh, I haven't done the DoorDash flowers.
I've never thought about that. That's kind of genius.
Thank you.
them.
I did like the double dash thing, so it went to like a bakery for her and then like the local grocery store to get flowers.
Perfect.
She got a treat and flowers.
Yes,
That's
that was the
perfect.
idea. And then the DoorDash guy calls me though, and I don't answer because I don't answer phone calls, obviously. And he texts me that they're out of like the large floral thing that I chose
Okay.
at the store, so he needs like a replacement.
Yeah.
That makes sense because like it has to match up with the price too.
Yeah.
And flowers range.
And it's sweet that he cares because he
Yeah.
knows that it's obviously a celebration.
No, and he really cared. He sent me 3 photos, like full of tons of different options to like replace it with.
Yeah.
So I say like 2 of them that I think you should put together, 2 small ones to make a big one.
Yeah.
And then he replies to me and says, "Nope, those don't look good together." And I was
Wait,
like, okay.
did you ask him like just?
I didn't ask. I said, get these 2.
Okay.
And he said, no, those don't look good. So then I said, okay, well, what do you think? And then he sent back his own photo of 2 flowers that he thinks should go together.
He's mixing and matching for
I
you.
appreciate his attention to detail.
I kind of did like that I didn't have to make the decision and he did it for me.
That's nice.
So we went with what he said. And he brought it to my grandma and did it all for me.
Oh,
Did
I
she like
appreciate
it?
Yeah,
it.
what was your grandma's thoughts?
Well, she texted me and said thanks. So I mean, sure.
So she got it.
At least she
She
got
liked
him.
it.
Seems like it was worth all the extra effort.
So yeah.
We need to follow
Hey.
him so when he opens his floral shop, we can purchase from
Yeah,
him.
that's true.
Yeah.
He did charge me double, so I have to dispute it. But that's a future problem. Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
You did
That's
get 2
crazy.
orders of flowers put together, so
Yeah,
maybe that's what
fair.
it
I
is.
think it was for the service.
That's it.
Sure.
I wonder if they do this for food now too.
Yeah.
Like, dude, those burritos don't sound good. I'm getting you a burger.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. All right, Jeffrey, what's on your mind?
So, my dog Bagel and I, we've had a really good summer so far.
Oh,
good.
man.
Lots of walks, little mini vacays we've taken, some dog birthday parties. I told you
Cute.
about the trampoline park course.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's all been pretty great, but winter is on its way.
That's
and
true.
with that, bad weather.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I started asking around, like, what are some indoor activities that I can do to keep my dog busy so he stays active and social? And a friend recommended a dog soccer league to me.
What?
That sounds
Is
adorable.
this a joke?
I was skeptical when I heard about it,
What?
but I looked it
Those
up.
exist?
It's real. So I took Bagel to his first game, and he was on the team, the Rough Rovers. I was introduced to the coach of the team.
Yeah.
And, the coach has like a ball, and all the dogs are like gathered around to learn from him. And
Oh, the coach is a person.
the coach is a
Yeah.
person,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
but then
Good to clarify.
all the dogs have
Yeah.
like little jerseys on,
that's
and they're
cute.
split up into teams, and I don't know what I was expecting.
Uh-oh.
Something, I guess, a little bit more organized
Okay.
than what
It's
actually
a
happened.
Dog soccer game.
It sounds like a dog park, and they
I
just
mean,
let them loose.
I went to my 8-year-old soccer game over the weekend and it was chaos. So I can't imagine.
I would have settled for chaos. This was worse than that because they
Wait.
just blew the whistle, and I realized the next 45 minutes was a total scam.
45 minutes, like a full length.
That's a long
Yeah.
I think you could go to a dog park for free, Jeff.
Dude.
Yeah.
Their dogs aren't trying to score any goals.
No.
They don't care
No.
whose jersey is on who.
No.
There's no teamwork
They're
whatsoever.
colorblind.
I can't
Yeah.
imagine what kind of offsides is happening.
yeah.
It didn't
in a
matter.
game
The
like
ref
that.
blew the whistle. Dogs didn't care.
No.
They just kept doing their thing.
They're
And
chasing the whistle.
Bagel, my dog, is by far the worst soccer player. If that's even possible, it was embarrassing to be his dog dad.
Oh no! Did he go poo?
Hey,
on the field?
listen, it's good that he's trying new things.
I know, but he's embarrassing me.
Yeah.
And so there I am, out $350
Whoa,
for a
Jeff.
season of dog soccer.
That
Rich
is
people.
like over double what I pay for my children for rec
You're telling
soccer.
me that's why I expected more, but I already paid the fee, so what am I
Oh
going to do?
my God.
Not bring him to the rest of his dog soccer games?
Do they have uniforms? I
No.
wanna see.
They have the little jerseys.
You gotta go.
I know,
gotta
now
go.
I have
You-
to take him, and
you
I have to
paid for
suffer
it.
for 45 minutes every single weekday.
Maybe he'll be the next doggy Pele, and you don't even know it.
Yeah.
You know?
Aw.
I'm embarrassed.
Oh.
This was a terrible, terrible idea.
Maybe try doggy volleyball next
Oh,
time.
actually, that
yeah.
sounds
Yeah.
a little bit more organized. I'll get
At
into
least
that
he's
next.
making friends, Jeff.
No, he's not.
Okay, then never
That's
mind.
part of the concern. That's what's been on our minds. You can text in to 78592. Tell us what's been on yours. It's Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning.